Decoding Slang. It's not my jam. Hello everyone, welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a fun and commonly used phrase in English, it's not my jam. This phrase is a great example of casual or slang language in English, and understanding it can really help in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it. It's not my jam is a colloquial expression used to indicate that something is not to one's liking or preference. The word jam, in this context, doesn't refer to the fruit preserve we spread on bread. Instead, it's used metaphorically to mean something one enjoys or is enthusiastic about. This phrase can be related to hobbies, music, activities, or even food. For example, if someone says, "I don't like playing football, it's not my jam," they mean they don't enjoy playing football. The term jam, in this context, likely comes from the musical scene, where a jam session refers to musicians playing improvised music together. This expression has evolved and is now used in various contexts to express personal preference. It's important to note that "it's not my jam" is very informal and best used in casual conversations among friends or peers. Let's look at some examples of how "it's not my jam" can be used in everyday conversation. 1. A. Do you watch horror movies? B. No, it's not my jam. I prefer comedies. 2. A. Are you joining the yoga class? B. Yoga? No, it's not my jam. I'm more into running. These examples show that the phrase can be a polite and light-hearted way to express a lack of interest or preference for something. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, "it's not my jam." We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a fun element to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about grammar and rules, it's also about expression and culture. Stay tuned for more interesting phrases and idioms in future videos. Happy learning, and see you next time!